Hey guys, my name is Brady Keith, and I am the 7th, ninth, and 12th grade ELA instructor at Bennington Junior Senior High School. Um, like I said, I teach at Bennington, and Bennington's about 20 miles north of Salina, and it's pretty small, small school with around about 100 kids in the high school and maybe that many in the middle school as well. So not too terribly big. One fun fact about me is that I play the guitar. And I also am a big hunter, and I like to fish and be outside, and those are some of my hobbies. And as far as the fourth section of this video goes, for me, the reflective teaching process, just for me, it starts with being able to admit that you don't know everything, and that some things don't go according to plan. And so, keeping that in mind, it's really important to to when you teach your lesson to think back and ask yourself, what went well, what didn't go well, what of those things that didn't go well, what are some things that I can control, that I can change next time. Um, and you have to ask yourself too, if you're meeting the needs of your students, and if you need to make any adjustments to meet their needs next time, because you can't always do it perfect the first time, but you can sure learn from your mistakes. And so I think that's for me, that's the biggest part of the reflective process when it comes to teaching. So anyway, looking forward to this semester, and it's good to meet you guys. Thanks.